What's up guys, it's your girl Imani here, back for another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can jazz up your box braids with 5 super simple hairstyles. It's so easy, Imani can do it, and if Imani can do it, anybody can do it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So you guys may notice that the background is a little bit different. I am on vacation. I'm in DR right now. The vlog is coming real soon, so make sure you stay tuned. But whenever I go on vacation, I like to, have a protective style, and I throw some box braids in or cornrows. Right now I have box braids, as you guys can see, and I love them the way they kind of look right now. But over the course of this weekend, we're going to be doing a lot of different things, and I don't want to look the same all weekend. So I came up with I didn't come up with, but I have 5 go-to styles that I usually do, whether it's going to be simple, stylish, jazzy, whatever you want to have it. So let me show you guys.
So the first hairstyle is really simple. You're just going to take the 2 strands that are closest to your ear, take a hair tie, gonna pull it to the back, wrap it around nice and tight, pull the rest of your hair to the front, and you got your first hairstyle. The second hairstyle is an oldie but a goodie. This one you're gonna have a high bun, but you're gonna leave the sides going down still. So just take a good amount, about an even amount on each side to make the bun at the top. I don't usually wrap the hair tie more than once around because I don't want it to be too tight on my hair. And then I'm just going to wrap the hair around the hair tie and fix it up as so. To make it more secure, you might want to get some bobby pins, but this works. The third hairstyle is also very simple, great for office work. You're just going to pull half of your hair from the front of your head to the back and leave the bottom half down. This one again is that office style, who you talking to, So the fourth hairstyle is actually my favorite. You're gonna need 2 hair ties for this. You're gonna put 2 strands of the box braids to the front of your hair, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull part of your hair on either side, as you guys see here, to make little pigtails in the front. I call this my Moesha. I'm looking kind of 90s-ish a little bit. I feel like I need a pacifier or something. Y'all know how them girls used to look back in the day. If you want to go a little extra, you're going to just wrap the hair around the hair tie to make 2 little buns. And I'm telling y'all going to get some real 90s feel. I don't know where I'm going with this, but I'm going to look cute when I go. Last hairstyle is my ultimate favorite, and it actually looks more complicated than it is. It is called the Fiona, or as you guys probably know it, is the crown. You're just going to take a good amount of hair, separate it into 3 sections, and you're going to start braiding down your hair. As you're braiding down, you're going to grab a few extra braids to kind of cornrow your hair, and you're going to go down. I personally can't get my hair to cornrow around in the crown, so what I'm doing is I'm just going to braid this going down, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, which you guys will see in a little bit. So now I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. This time I'm going to purposely go straight down instead of trying to go around like you saw on the other side, even though I wasn't able to get it all the way around anyway. And once I get this down as much as I'd like for it, I'm going to bring the other side around, which you'll see real soon, and I'm going to tie them both together. this video, 5 easy hairstyles for box braids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below which style was your favorite. Subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Bye.